What's up, guys? We back with another one. Extended cab all the way from Amarillo, Texas. We're gonna be doing a older Webasto sunroof install, no welding, black suede, and he's gonna get starlights. Like I said, he's gonna be going with the old school Webasto with the it's got the hardcover slider right there, Webasto. I just wrapped this in black suede. Let's check out the truck. Extended cab from Amarillo, Texas. This thing is clean. Extended cab. It's got the tan. We're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna do the sunroof, and then starlights all around. 750, I think, starlights. All right, guys, I'm gonna start the process. All right, guys, we got the headliner taken out. I'm gonna get my measurements. Customer does want to save this console, so I gotta pop it back on and get my measurements so the sunroof can start about 2 or 3 inches from here. Then we'll start from there back. Let me do some measuring, and then we'll start cutting it out. All right, guys, we got the sunroof installed. Let's check it out. Nice. And like I said, this Webasto comes with the hard cover, so it has a sunshade, which is real nice. Nice. We're gonna go ahead and work on the headliner. I'm removing the old headliner someone did previous. There it is there. Now I'm taking off the old original headliner from the truck. That way I can put mine on top of this. All right, just a little bit of what it's looking like. Starlight kit is in. Box is in, powered up. Now we gotta wait for the headliner. They're doing the headliner now. Once we get the headliner done, we'll get it in here. Put everything back together. Almost done. Guys, install's been done. Starlights, 750, 800 starlights, something like that. Sunroof, Webasto, older style sunroof for Webasto with the hard shade cover. Black suede, came out badass. Let's check it out.
Perfect.
Another one done. Amarillo, Texas. Shouts out to the customer. I came out all the way 4-hour drive, I believe. Alex, shouts out to you, man. Appreciate the business. And another one done. Stay tuned. We got a lot more. I do have a lot of people on the list. So like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.